Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today baby girl got hair from Luxurious Hair, and as you guys can see, the package is from DHL. They package it via DHL, and also as you guys can see, it is from Luxurious. Is it luxurious or luxurious? I don't know, but yeah, they gave me a letter of thanks as well as 2 wig caps, as you guys can see right there. So baby girl, I got the inches. I'm joking. But this is the hair. I ordered it from AliExpress. I ordered it like a month or so, I think. No, I'm lying, like a few weeks ago, and it came to my house at my door in like 3 weeks. Okay, I'm not gonna lie and say 1 week, but 3 weeks. As you guys can see, inside of the wig there's 2 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back, and also it has these adjustable straps just in case you have a small head like I do. You can just adjust it, you know. So yeah, what I'm gonna do first, I'm first gonna put in this wig cap. Don't forget, we are doing the bold method, okay? So I'm just gonna cut the ear tabs on both sides and let's get it going. Now, since all of that is done, I'm gonna go in with the Got to Be Glued. This is the blasting freeze spray for streaming hold. It freezes, it fixes, ultimate hold, baby. So I'm just gonna spray it layer by layer until it dries. I'm gonna spray 1 layer, spray the 2nd layer, and go in with my hair dryer, you guys. As you guys have noticed, I've been on this hair dryer, but yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry a bit, or rather let it get a bit tacky. And then once it's tacky, I'm just gonna cut it with a pair of scissors. I'm just gonna cut the extra or the excess wig cap off so that I can get ready for the wig, y'all. Now all that's done, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation on the bold cap. Guys, I know, please don't come for me. I know mistakes do happen, okay? This wig cap, it did not dry the way I wanted it to. Hence on the sides of my, or rather on the ear tabs, it's not, you know. So now, as you guys can see, my wig, I haven't cut the lace. So where I'm pointing right now, I'm just gonna put in foundation as well so that it can match the skin and so that it can also match the bold cap. Since all of that is done, I'm just gonna brush the hair backwards so that it doesn't come in my way, and I'm just gonna put another layer of the Got to Be Glued so that it can glue, so that it can stay on my head, so that they don't snatch it, you know. And I'm just gonna dry it again so that it can get a little bit more tacky, and then I'm gonna place the wig right on my hairline or on top of the bold cap so that, you know, I can look good. Alright, so now I'm just aligning the bold cap to, or rather the wig to the bold cap using this tooth comb. And once that's done, I'm just going to do the same thing and cut it. I'm just going to cut the lace off, and I'm going to cut it in 3 sections. And look carefully when I'm cutting the lace. I'm not cutting it straight down. I'm going in zigzag motions so that it can look a bit more natural. Bear in mind, this wig it was already pre-plugged, so I didn't plug the wig, but I'm gonna get more wigs. But if you'd like me to do a tutorial on how to plug your own wig, do comment down below. So basically in this part, if you do have excess glue, you can just take a wet wipe or use those alcoholic wipes and just remove the glue. So now all I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna open a line in the middle section. I'm gonna do a middle part for this wig, and I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just gonna make that line, you know, visible with the concealer. And then going in with this extra virgin olive oil foam designing wrap lotion, I'm just gonna put the mousse on my hair so that there is no flyaways, baby girl. Bear in mind, we are going for the wet look, but there's two different looks for this hair. You can leave it dry as it is, so it can look a bit fluffy, but for now I'm just feeling the wet look. So with my spray bottle, I'm just going to spray the hair with some water so that I can have that look, girl. Now, like, honestly, it's the curls for me. The curls for me. These curls are fire. These curls are bomb, you guys. But if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I will leave the link in the description down below. I got this hair from AliExpress. The communication with the vendor was awesome. It was amazing. This hair took about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive in South Africa. Okay. Wow, I can't speak. But guys, from me to me, I am signing off. But before I do that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. If you guys would like to see more wig tutorials like these, please comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. But from me to me, as always, as Jing and Jayelo, I am signing off and I am saying bye. Bye, guys.